How to change your IP address. Using proxies, step by step. Changing your IP address is easier than you think, and proxies make it even simpler. Whether you want to access region-locked content,
As the Anonymous heard of how White Pen is an attacker.
a proxy can assign you a completely new IP from anywhere in the world. First, choose a reliable proxy provider like IP Royal. Use the link in the description to join IP Royale for free. Next, set up your proxy in your browser or system settings. On Chrome, you can use extensions or manually configure your proxy under Settings. On Windows or Mac, go to Network Preferences and input your proxy details. Once done, your traffic will be routed through a new IP, giving you instant access to websites and platforms, as if you were in another country. With IP Royal, you can choose residential, mobile, or data center proxies, whichever suits your needs. Whether you're streaming, scraping, or managing multiple accounts, changing your IP has never been more secure or seamless.